Oh, there's nothing like a handyman about the house, is there? Oh, is there? Well, Fibber would be a handier man if he could keep track of his screwdriver. He thinks it's in his tool chest. So he brought the tool chest up into the living room, which is no place for a tool chest. And here, emptying things out of the tool chest, we find People of Wistful Vista.
For goodness sakes, McGee, what have you got there?
A tool chest. Here's what the man said.
Well, did you bring that up out of the basement just to look for a screwdriver?
Yep, he's watching the cellar. The light socket's busted.
Why don't you fix it?
Can't find my screwdriver.
Well, use the blade of your jackknife.
I can't. The point's busted off.
How'd you do that?
Use it as a screwdriver. Let's see. Bicycle sprocket. Auto crank. Wood burning outfit.
What's that book there under the broken alarm clock?
This? Helpful Hints on Home Handicraft by Henry Horace Eckerwhite. Nice stuff, too.
Is that where you got the information about how to fix my sewing machine?
Yeah, how does it work now?
Oh, fine. Except that the bobbin keeps coming loose and shoots across the room.
Oh.
I nearly got Mrs. Uppington the other day. She was sitting down at the time, too. Which wasn't very sporting of me.
Umbrella handle. Bear trap. Let that bear trap lay there, Molly. Might catch glitter shoes in it. Oh, hey. Here's that old shotgun I was going to fix the trigger spring on.
Oh.
Come to think of it, I did fix that trigger spring.
Now, isn't that nice? Now you can fix that hole in the ceiling, too.
Mm-hmm.
Or make it a little bigger and install a brass pole, then we'd have a nice guest room for visiting fires.
You wouldn't be getting sarcastic, would you?
No. And incidentally, what do you want the screwdriver for?
No, I'm going to fix something, Molly. I don't want to tell you. I want to surprise you. Who's that? Uh-oh. It's Mrs. Uppington. The front bumper of the station wagon set.
The Queen of Wistful Vista Society, and wouldn't you love to crown her? Come in. Oh, how do you do, Mrs. Uppington? Oh, how do you do, Mrs. McGee? Mrs. McGee?
Hi, Uppy.
I just think that's how I stepped into. Well, you stepped into an old camera, Mrs. Uppington, but don't feel badly about it. He never used it anyway.
Oh, I was going to fix that camera when I got time.
What was the matter with it?
Well, when you looked into that ground glass plate, everything was upside down. I got the dad ratted car that's standing on my head to take pictures.
Oh, no, he rather enjoyed it, Mrs. Uppington. He was always a bit of a pixie with a brownie.
Oh, then, since you're not allow me to play for the beverage, I insist on making the loss good.
Why? It was no good and it's no loss.
Why, Molly? How can you be so mean to Mrs. Uppington? You want her to have this thing on her conscience? You want her to go through life with the guilty feeling that she's broke up a man's hobby with them big clumsy shoes of hers?
Don't worry about paying for the camera, Mrs. Uppington.
Oh, I wouldn't insult Mr. McGee by offering him money.
Huh?
Oh, no. It's just that I feel so badly about interfering with your artistic pursuit.
Oh,
So I can send you over a little box of watercolors that I have had ever since I was a stupid girl. I must be here now. Look out!
Oh, you hurt Mrs. Uppington.
What should she be? She ain't caught him, and I am. Oh, you're an
I do hope the watercolors will make up for the loss of your camera. Remember the old poem which I just made up? Little spots of color, little lines of ink. You may think you're an artist, but confidentially, well, goodbye.
Boy, is that a relief.
Well, how on earth did you get it open,
Oh, just
Jerry?
use a little logic and common sense. I says to myself, now keep cool, McGee. Sure, I says. Now, what kind of a trap is this? Well, says I, it's a bear trap.
Yes?
Of course, I says. So what's the logical way to open the bear trap? Why, just, I says, with your bare hand.
Oh. Oh, dear. Well, I'm glad it wasn't a mouse trap. You'd have had to give yourself a Mickey. Now, hurry up and get that junk off of my floor.
Molly, I haven't found a screwdriver yet. I don't want
Oh, for goodness sakes, run down to the hardware store and buy a
I
screwdriver.
haven't got time to... Hello, Billy! Hello, Billy! Gone to the auto show?
Oh, I don't think so. Not this year, Mr. Oldtimer.
Why not, Billy? Well, I'll tell you, old-timers, they took all the fun out of it. You used to go to auto shows so you could stand on the running boards and watch the salesmen show you how easy the clutch and the gear shift work. And now, no gear shift, no clutches, no running board. All they got left is the salesman. Well, it's pretty good, Johnny. You're a trifle exaggerated, but that ain't the way I hit it. The way I hit it, one fellow says to t'other fellow, Fibber McGee and Molly are back on the air. You hear their first two shows? Yep, says t'other fellow. Sure are in the groove, ain't they? That's an understatement, says the first fellow. That ain't a groove, that's a rut. Well, sorry we ain't going to the other show. Miss, I'll take my gal. She's a streamlined cutie with steel beam headlights and a choice of paint jobs. And new action. So long, sir. Yes, sir. What's the something for you? Oh, hi, Bud. I want a screwdriver with a black handle. We're in the hardware store now, folks. I want some hardware, Bud. Thanks.
How about a screwdriver?
With a black handle.
Why a black handle?
Well, why not?
That's what I say. Get one with a black handle.
Yes, madam. A screwdriver with a black handle. What size? What do you mean, what size? You got to be fitted for them? Well, we have itty-bitty baby ones for taking watches apart, and mama-sized ones for stabbing beer cans open, and great big proper ones for real rough work. Look, Goldilocks. I'm a medium-sized guy looking for a medium-sized screwdriver for a medium-sized job. Just what you say, please. Mine's the wheelbarrow. Oh, leave me past it, Molly. I don't want to look.
Why not? It's only a common wheelbarrow.
Oh, you know, Molly. My cousin Chamberlain.
What?
You remember what happened to him when he was working on Boulder Dam?
No, I don't.
Well, they found somebody had tampered with the concrete mixture.
Don't tell me they suspected your cousin.
Yes. The minute they seen his feet sticking out of the dam, they knew he was mixed up in it. Give him another guy.
That must have been the foreman. The poor lad told us he was getting in solid with the boss. You can open your eyes now, dear. You were past the wheelbarrow.
Thanks. Okay, Bud, where's the screwdriver? And make it snappy because I want to hurry. Hey, hardware man, come over to my house right away. What's the matter, Mr. Flanagan? Every time I try to fill my toy boat in the sink, it overflows. Well, why don't you use the bathtub? What? And get the coal all wet? Hurry, will you? Screwdriver, Bud. Remember? No, yes. I'll get it right now. Hey, get a little old guy coming in with a beard and the bifocals, Molly. He looks kind of familiar to me.
Well, he acts kind of familiar, too. He just winked at me, said the old thing.
Oh, he did, eh? Hey, look here, you with the jawgrass. What do you think you're winking to? Take it easy, brother.
Heavenly days, Harlow Wilcox.
What you doing in a false broccoli, Harlow? Hey, Harlow, are you... I'm making a survey. Oh, Mr. Hardware Man. My granddaughter sent me in for some floor wax. What's the best kind? Well, we are Dickman Johnson's. The finest polish you can buy for floors, furniture, and woodwork. You don't say. Oh, yes, we do. It's a beautiful, lasting polish and protects all wood surfaces from scratches and stains. Wait a minute, now I'll get with you.
That's quite a disguise, Mr. Wilcox.
Gee, thanks, Molly. I modeled it after Mr. Chip, you know, in the movie. Is it okay, Fibber?
Oh, yeah. You look like a well-dunked donut. That's the worst disguise I ever offer.
Dollars and wax. Not only the best protection for your floors and woodwork, but it will add a great deal of beauty to your home.
Thanks, Johnny. I'll tell my granddaughter what you said about Johnson's wax. And I'll be back after a bit.
Certainly. Anytime, Mr. Wilcox.
What?
You sold me this wax, do you remember?
Oh, gee whiz, I never thought of that.
Well, then, what's the something for you, sir?
A screwdriver.
Remember me, Bud? The fellow that wanted to buy a screwdriver with a black handle?
Oh, yes. Now, here's a wonderful screwdriver, 12-inch shaft, that big grip, non-skid tip, and transparent handle.
He wants one with a black handle.
But more than the transparent handles, they come in black.
Dad, but who wants a transparent handle? All I want is a simple black handle.
Hello there, Skipper. You got a good, strong, comfortable groove?
Why, yes, we have lemons. Here's one, 75 cents special today.
I'll take it.
Where till I have the green cent, madam?
Don't send it, Sniffles. I'm buying it for Halloween, and I'm riding it home. Outside, everybody. Here I go. Get up, sweetness. Woo-hoo!
I beg your pardon, sir. Have you been waited on?
Have I been waiting? Look, Bud, for 10 minutes I've been trying to get you to sell me a screwdriver.
Oh, yes. And here you are. I think this is the type of screwdriver you want, isn't it?
That's it, Bud. How much?
$2.79.
Heavenly days, $2.79.
Oh, now don't go into a tool spin, Bud. That screwdriver ain't worth no $2.79. Why, I could get one across the street at the 5 and dime for 20 cents.
Then why don't you?
Well, they're all out of them.
Well, when we're all out of them, we sell them for a nickel. Good day.
Come on, McGee. Maybe we can find one.
Ah, there's the day, my dear.
Oh, hello, Mr. Boomer.
A horrible Halloween to you, false face. Allow me to introduce my little nephew, Cedric Boomer. Cedric, take your hand out of the gentleman's pocket and say hello. Say hello to Mr. and Mrs. McGee.
If you insist, Leon Moan. Hello, Molly Dolly. Greetings to you, Superman. Little Sir Echo, how do you do?
Hey, is that a real revolver he's playing with?
Oh, heavenly days. Do you permit him to have such dangerous toys, Mr. Boomer?
Certainly. Stand rod and spoil the child, now. Put the heater away, Cedric, before I kick your teeth down your little pink epiglottis.
You lay a nickel on me, Boomtown, and you'll wind up in a forest lawn mud pack.
Oh, well said, Cedric. Spirited lad, isn't he? Yes, indeed.
Well, I'm sorry we can't stop for a little more conversation, Mr. Boomer, but we have to go home and hunt for a screwdriver. These people want $2.79 for one.
$2.79? Why, that's an outrage. I'll tell you one for only 37 cents myself. Short cake. Always carry a few tools with me for one reason and another.
37 cents. Very okay, Boomer. It's a deal. Let's see it.
Of course. Now, let me see. Screwdriver. Where I put that screwdriver? Here's a letter from the draft board asking me to report in the morning. Dated October 15th, 1917. Yes, indeed. I should have dropped in some time ago. Postcard from Jefferson City, Mo. Poor old Mo. You should have seen the police report they had on him. Reading time, 20 minutes. Doing time, 20 years. Glass eye with a sentimental gleam. Ah, what's this in my hip pocket? A small, grimy hand with arm attached. Oh, it's you, Cedric, my lad. Trying to follow your uncle's fingerprints, eh? Perhaps you know what became of the above-mentioned screwdriver.
Of course. Let me see. Screwdriver. Where do we put that screwdriver? Here's a wad of bubble gum that had a blowout. I must remember to have it vulcanized. Boy Scout man, What am I carrying that for? I wouldn't knife a Boy Scout. The butt of a chocolate cigar. License plate off a hot tricycle. And a Texas awful stare.
Nice. To do my dear, and to date you, fish fry.
For goodness sakes, McGee, will you hurry up and find that screwdriver and get this junk out of my living room?
Oh, I'm only halfway through this tool chest, Molly, and I'm finding more stuff.
What do you want that screwdriver for, anyway?
Oh, I can't tell you, Molly. It's going to be a surprise. I'm going to do something for you that you've been wanting me to fix for a long, long time. Come in.
Hi, mister.
Oh, hello there, little girl.
Oh, what you doing? Who got you?
I'm looking for something.
What?
A screwdriver.
Where?
In this tool chest.
Why?
Because... Oh, listen, quiz kid. Don't bother me with all this driver. I'm trying to find a screwdriver. I mean...
You got a lot of dandy stuff in here, Bessie.
Well...
Oh, looky, a new baseball bat. Where'd you buy it?
I didn't buy it. It was a gift.
Who from?
From a man I bought a suit of clothes from last week. And stop bothering me. Trying to look for the screwdriver.
Hey, what's in this bottle, mister? Medicine?
Put that back, sis. That's just the lotion I used on my arm the time I got tattooed.
Did you get tattooed, mister? I'll see it.
No. I don't want it. It didn't turn out good.
Oh, come on, mister, please. Let me see your tattoo.
Well, okay. If you don't tell anybody about it, well, I'll roll it in the food. There.
That's a dandy tattoo, I bet.
Oh, I don't think it's right.
Who's it supposed to be,
J.P. Morgan.
Why?
Well, the guy that tattooed me was a little deaf, that's why. I told him I wanted an anchor, and he thought I said a banker. Now, you run along,
Hey,
sis.
mister,
Now what?
my daddy wants to know if you're going to join the poker game at the club tonight.
You tell your daddy I'll be there. And tell your mother that if your daddy comes home smelling like energy, it's because McGee took him to the cleaner. I said, tell your old man I'm going to take him for his role.
I bet you won't, I bet you.
Huh?
He says you're an awful bum poker player.
Oh, he does he?
Yes, he does he? He said you always played the full house like you were afraid it was haunted. That's all.
Yes, kid. He can cause more trouble than a bee in a coupe. Now, let's see. I don't get... Oh, Molly, look. Here's that motorcycle engine I've been saving.
What are you saving that for?
Why, Molly. Now, how many guys do you know that could reach in their tool chest and bring up a motorcycle engine if somebody wanted a motorcycle engine all of a sudden?
Well, I could count them on the fingers of a boxing glove, dearie. If that makes you happy. But for goodness sake...
Well, I'm going to...
Oh, hello, McGee. Hello, Mrs. McGee.
Hello, Mr. Gildersleeve.
Hi, Gildersleeve. Sit down and make yourself at home. Or no, don't. I've seen how you act at home.
Isn't he a card, Mrs. McGee?
He's a card, all right. And to think that I drew him.
What is all this stuff, McGee?
You mean the stuff in this tool chest? Well, I was looking for...
McGee, if you're thinking of starting a junkyard here, I'll complain to the authorities. This is a residential zone.
Well, is it any of your business?
Yes, it's my business.
Well, what's your business doing in a residential zone?
Stop this bickering, the both of you. He's just looking for a screwdriver, Mr. Gildersleeve.
Well, I'll help him look for it. What does it look like, McGee?
Oh, it's about this long with a black handle, and it's got TPG carved on the handle.
TPG, eh?
You know what that stands for?
Well, I always thought it meant take a powerful grip.
It stands for Throckmorton P. Gildersleeve. That's what it stands for. That's my screwdriver.
Oh, here. Now, look, boys, there's no use fighting anymore. I just remembered where I saw that screwdriver.
What? You did? Where?
On the shelf in the hall closet. But be careful.
I'll get it, Mrs. McGee.
You stay where you darn are, Gildersleeve. I'll get it. After all, this is my house.
After all, it's my screwdriver.
Okay. You can have your old screwdriver. I'll go get it.
I'll go with you. I don't trust you out of my sight.
You're so short-sighted, I could still get away with plenty. What'd you say, Molly, on the shelf in this closet?
Yes, but be careful, dearie, because that shelf is loose and it's...
Yeah, I know. I'll get out of my way, Gildersleeve, when I get that.
Loose shelf.
I know you did, but I had to get that screwdriver.
What did you want the screwdriver for?
I wanted it to fix that shelf. Our country's defense.
Yes, and your community chest helps build strong Americans, so we hope you will support it generously.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night, all.